How to lock your Facebook profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from AppGuide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can lock your Facebook profile. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now if you don't know what a lock feature is, whenever you lock your profile on Facebook, no one else will be able to view your profile except for your profile picture. They will only be able to see your name. They will also not be able to view the profile picture in the full screen, as well as they will not be able to view your friends' photos unless you've applied them to only friends. Now, in order to get the lock feature, first of all, we have to make sure by updating the Facebook app to the latest version. So head over to your app store, in the search box type in Facebook and go ahead and simply either download or update the Facebook app to the latest version. Once you have updated Facebook, I'm going to open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you're logged in, what you can do is on the very top right hand side, you'll see this three horizontal lines. Simply tap on the three horizontal lines and scroll down to the bottom and select settings and privacy. As you select settings and privacy, at the very top you will find this option which says settings, so go ahead and simply tap on settings. Now over here, when you actually scroll down, you would be able to find the option called profile locking. And if you're not being able to find the option called profile locking, that is because profile locking isn't available in all the regions just yet. It is only available to some limited areas. And if you're not being able to find the option, then we simply have to wait. Now there were some of the services telling that you can use a VPN to do it. I tried it, but the VPN service isn't working as well. Now if you don't get the lock feature available in your country, you can also simply come back and then simply tap on the privacy shortcuts, and you could actually manually review all of the settings, such as who can see your friends list, who can see your photos, who can see your what you share, who can look you up here with your stories, and so on. You could go ahead and customize these settings in order to lock your profile. This could be the alternative solution for you. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.